Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A06. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy A06 and you are wondering how to change date and time. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Samsung Galaxy A06 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you will find there something say general management. After click over general management, you need to click here date and time, and now here if you decide to enable or change manual date and time, you need to turn off this and then you can easily choose here whatever date you want. So for example, I would like to February, and you can change whatever year or something, and then if you like to change the time, you can also choose whatever time you want from here. So now you can see I successfully changed date and time in my Samsung Galaxy A06. Now you can see my phone going to appear new date and time. So within this simple way, you can easily change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A06. But I will suggest you turn on automatically date and time, which will help you to, for example, you are in London and you are into Dubai. So whenever you reach in Dubai, whenever your phone is going to connect with the local network, your phone is going to appear that area, particular area, local time. So anyway, I'm going to turn on automatically date and time. So what you have to do is to click again here settings section, scroll all the way down and then you need to click here general management. After click over general management, you need to click here date and time, and from here you need to click automatic date and time, just turn on and it's going to be automatically appear a local area date and time. So within this simple way, you can easily change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A06. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.